at one of our major trade shows, IBTM in Barcelona every year in November. And imagine my surprise to hear that Australia, IMC19, and that event won the Collaboration Award from IAPCO. We're very delighted to host this celebration today.
When we collaborate to compete, we are formidable on the world stage. It's because we identify the key events and the leaders that are renowned globally, and we showcase ourselves to the world.
The Organising Committee deserve recognition for their vision. Working together in partnership with the rest of Team Sydney has without a doubt resulted in IMC19 being the success that it has been.
And there's no doubt that we do have a very innovative, collaborative and welcoming place. And so on behalf of Premier Berejiklian and indeed the whole government, we say congratulations, we're so proud of you.
All the people who we collaborated with and supported us did an absolutely amazing and fantastic job. So we really gave IMC Conference Series the best meeting they ever had.
There's going to be Aussie PhD students that are going to be winging their way off to scientific meetings, including IMC20 and 21 and 22 and so on and so forth for the future, because we were able to put a few gold coins in the collection plate. So, you know, a financial success, meeting our financial goals, as well as the scientific legacies.